Constraint-based sketching, concentric constraint. Create two circles and create a concentric constraint between them. Let's have this the target and this as the anchor. And very simply, all that means is if we remove one, we move the other one. We can apply a dimension between the two, which is an offset. Let's change the offset to 2.5. And if we pull the outside, as you can see, the inside one remains concentric. Let's just quickly put a dimension. Let's change this to 20. Whilst these two circles are constrained to one another, they're both still in light blue, meaning they are not fully constrained and are able to move. With Create Constraints automatically on, any two circles constructed concentrically automatically are constrained. This applies also to a circle with an offset and also to arcs.